medicinal plants and parts.
Target decided the 50 plants. Target achieved 75 plants.
Medicinal plants are plants which have a medicinal value, meaning at least one part of them can be used to treat diseases or prevent them. Every plant is medicinal, however, not all of them are medicinal to humans. They may be helpful to animals but be poisonous to humans. And it may be the other way around, poisonous to animals and medicinal to humans. Thus, it is important to know which part of a plant is medicinal and which is not, for eating the wrong part may not help your ailment or even harm you.
Hello friends. Today I'm going to tell you the history of medicinal plants. Long time ago, in the northeastern desert of Africa, the land was barren and dry, but a god gift enriched the land. The god gift was River Nile. It became the main root of Egyptian civilization. The plant called papyrus helped heal the wounds. In the reign of Pharaoh Akhenaten, people understood the importance of medicinal plants. They started trading medicinal plants with different empires. After Egypt came India. It was this time the golden age of Ayurveda and medicinal plants. Many medicinal plants were discovered this time. They were used either to heal or cure. Then, after, there was a boom of medicinal plants in every continent. Soon, each continent was trading them. Thus, this is the history of medicinal plants. Thank you.
इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स. आपल्या अनेक दैनंदिन कामांमध्ये आपण मेडिसिनल प्लांट्सचा उपयोग करतो. जसं की घरात कोण आजारी असेल तर त्यांना आपण काढा बनवून देतो, ज्याच्यात आपण अनेक मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स आणि पार्ट्सचा उपयोग करतो.
Uses of medicinal plants. Saffron can fight cancer. Tulsi gives relief from fever and cold. Aloe vera promotes hair growth and delays aging process. Lemon eliminates unwanted toxins from the body.
We have classified medicinal plants and parts into stems, flowers, leaves, seeds, roots, and petals.
The observations we have observed are rose. First, it grows in many colors. Second, its average diameter is 4 to 5 centimeter. Tulsi, first of all, it has a hairy stem and purple flowers. Second, its leaves have a strong smell. Hibiscus, first, it is taller than an average person's height. Second, I have observed seen many creatures getting attracted towards its flower. Third, it has a long tube in the middle of it, and at the top of it are the stigma and the stamen.
Why we chose this topic? In this corona period, medicinal plants and parts have proved their importance. So we chose this topic and to learn uses of them. To fight with not only corona pandemic but also many more diseases. Additionally, it improves our immunity. In old age, in home, oldest women would keep medicinal parts in small amounts in house, which was called as Ajibaita Batwa. When anyone gets sick, then they would use it. We use the drugs as medicine, but we should use medicinal plants and parts from nature which are healthy and there aren't any side effects of them. Our motto is not only collecting and getting information about medicinal plants and parts, but also to use them in day-to-day life.
This is our collection. These are some photos of it.
उष्णकटिबंधातील वर्षावनांतील वनस्पतींच्या हजारो जातींपासून भविष्यात औषधे मिळण्याची शक्यता आहे आणि नवीन औषधांचाही शोध सुरू आहे. अमेरिका, ग्रेट ब्रिटन, जर्मनी, जपान, चीन यांसारख्या पुढारलेल्या देशांत देखील आयुर्वेदातील चिकित्सा पद्धतीवर अभ्यास सुरू आहे. आयुर्वेदाने मानलेल्या वनस्पतींवर देखील या देशांत फार मोठ्या प्रमाणात संशोधन सुरू आहे. पुढारलेल्या देशांतील वैज्ञानिक भारतात येऊन आयुर्वेदाचा सखोल शास्त्रशुद्ध अभ्यास करण्याच्या प्रयत्नांमध्ये आहेत.
व्हरायटी इन अवर कलेक्शन. आम्ही आमच्या कलेक्शन मध्ये भरपूर व्हरायटी ठेवली आहे. आमच्या गावाकडे उपलब्ध असणाऱ्या वनस्पती जसे की एरंड, कॅस्टर, निवडुंग, कॅक्टस फॅमिली आणि मेहंदी हिना. आपल्या आजूबाजूला व घरात उपलब्ध असणाऱ्या वनस्पतींची देखील आम्ही यामध्ये समावेश केला आहे आणि बाजारात जे मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स आणि पार्ट्स आहेत ते सुद्धा आम्ही आमच्या प्रोजेक्ट मध्ये घेतले आहेत. Thanks.